Some big breaking developments now coming in as the probe intensifies in former Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal's assassination attempt. We have received some fresh CCTV footage of Narayan Singh, the man in question. From 4th of December, this footage has been released by Bikram Singh Majithia, which shows the assailant of Sukhbir Singh Badal doing the recce of the Gurudwara day before he was actually attacked. We have CNN News 18's Anshul Singh joining us on the broadcast. Anshul, please walk us through more details with regards to this particular CCTV footage that we are playing for our viewers.
Well, the CCTV visual that has come to the phone now clearly shows that how this attack was that happened on the former Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab did not happen in the heat of the moment, but in fact was a very planned attack. In fact, the person in question, Narayan, did a recce of that entire spot just a day before he decided to go ahead and shoot at the former Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab. So definitely this is a massive security lapse and an intelligence failure of the Punjab police that has come to the fore. But yes, yesterday, the Amritsar Police Commissioner officially came on record and said that they are probing this angle that if at all this attack was actually planned by the Shiromani Akali Dal themselves to gain some sort of a sympathy from the people, because they have been targeted for the manner in which by the Akal Takht itself, which is the top body of Sikhs, and they have in fact punished Sukhbir Singh Badal regarding the manner in which there were sacrileges that happened during his tenure as the Chief Minister. So somewhere or the other, the Punjab police is saying that they are probing this angle that if at all this was a planned attack by Shiromani Akali Dal to gain sympathy from the side of Sikhs, from the side of people. But on the other hand, this is a massive security lapse that has happened. A former Deputy Chief Minister being shot at inside the Golden Temple definitely tells a lot about the law and order situation in Punjab, and definitely the Punjab government at this point in time has a lot to answer. But still, there is no clarity that has come in either from the Punjab government or the Punjab police as what could be the motive behind such a massive attack that has happened on Sukhbir Singh Badal.
Absolutely, Anshul. But apart from the lapses in the security of the former Deputy Chief Minister and of course the CCTV footage that we got hold of, what are the other glaring mistakes and what exactly went wrong on that day? Because he was actually performing, the punishment which was given to him by Akal Takht.
Well, yes, this was a planned attack is what we are being told at this point in time. This has come to the fore. The exact motive is still not clear. What could be the motive? Because if you look at the background of the accused, he is a Khalistani. He has already been arrested twice, at least twice by the Punjab police. In fact, he was involved in a massive jailbreak in Punjab as well. So definitely the accused at this point in time is a history sheeter roaming freely in Amritsar. And definitely the manner in which the intelligence failure has happened from the side of the Punjab police, this is something that is very, very shocking at this point in time. Because especially if you look at the bordering areas of Punjab that are bordering Pakistan, all these areas are actually very disturbed at this point in time. There is a massive influx of drugs and weapons that is coming into Punjab.
Right, Anshul.
That shows that how there has been a massive increase. It remains to be seen how will the Punjab government tackle this, and if at all there will be any clarity that will come in from the Punjab government regarding this entire issue.
Absolutely, and to track more of it, we'll keep coming back to you through the day. Right now, it's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. Do stay with us. We'll come right back with more news on the other side.